Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply schedule a meeting in Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Google Meet, and when you're going to click on new meeting, you're going to select schedule in Google Calendar. Okay, and now welcome. Okay, got it. Now add title, meeting, location, notification, 30 minutes in. Okay, we can get like when it's going to happen, even join with Google Meet. The camera is starting. My glasses are looking so fine today. Now we get an option. You can like join now, but like up to you. And here you want to simply add a location, a notification, and just click save here, right? And right when you're gonna invite someone, you got this link here, right? You want to copy it, or you can add guests here, right? So that's another thing what you can do. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day everybody, and goodbye.